How's it going, everyone? In today's episode, what we're doing are these tomatillo plants over here. They're actually purple tomatillos. They're pretty awesome. I'll show you a couple of pictures of some ones we grew last year. But the best thing about these ones is in our permaculture garden, we don't like buying seeds. So what we like to do is we leave a few tomatillos on the ground, and then in about a year's time, they come back up, and this is the result. So we didn't actually plant these seeds. So just going to plant them in the ground here. Try and figure out where to put them, and they do get pretty big, to be honest, when they go in the ground. But this means more tomatillos. Different to tomatoes, like they're in the same family, but you want to plant them together because the better it will do for pollination, basically. So yeah, we'll let you know how these do in the future. So as you guys know, we got hit by the frost. We've got this one surviving courgette here, but a trick to gardening is to always have some spares. So as you can see here, these 3 healthy yellow courgette plants we've had in our greenhouse. And these are going to go back in the ground. I'm pretty sure there won't be a frost now. If there is, then we're pretty screwed. But sneaky tomatillo here that we're going to transplant.